Hey everyone, it's RobFindsTreasure, and today we're going to unbox my silver YouTube play button. So we're going to get right into unboxing the play button. I just quickly want to thank each and every one of you for your subscription to my channel. When I started this channel 4 years ago, a little over 4 years ago, I just wanted to share my passion for coin roll hunting, maybe some metal detecting, bill searches, just some treasure finding in general. And I had no idea the amount of support I would receive. And as the support kind of rolled in, I really started focusing on getting 100,000 subscribers by the end of last year, which we did. So again, thank you. You guys are amazing. And I know many of you probably have seen these types of videos before, so we'll keep it as short as possible. Now let's open that button and get it put on the wall. So here it is, everyone. The YouTube silver play button. Now, I did have to cut the sides, and I already opened the top and showed it to Charlani before she went out of town because she wanted to see it, and it happened to arrive the day before she was leaving. So apologize in advance that I've already cut it, but she wanted to see it in person before she took off, so I've already done that. That being said, now that I've got it already open, let's go ahead and go down here really quick and pop the top open. And I know you guys have probably seen these on other channels, so I'm not going to bore you with all of the details, but we'll spend a few minutes and just take a look at it. When you pop the top, there's a foam insert, and under the foam insert, you've got just a little information about the awards company that actually sends you your YouTube award. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. So Rick, thank you very much. The next thing that's in the box is the YouTube subscriber, 100,000 subscriber award sheet. It just talks about how far have you come. If each of your subscribers were a light year, they could take you from one side of the Milky Way to the other. That's far. Anyway, like I said, you guys have probably read all this before on other channels. The bottom line is when you hit 100,000 subscribers, you do get a silver play button, and it's something I've been working towards a long time. And again, thank you all for helping me achieve this. It's been a dream since I started this channel, and I'm super excited to have it. That being said, let's take a look at the play button now. You can't get mad at that. Man, it's a beauty. Take a look at it. I'll take it out of the plastic in a second. Presented to RobFindsTreasure for passing 100,000 subscribers. YouTube. Let me go ahead and take it out of the plastic, and let's take a look at this bad boy. All right, we've got it out of the plastic, and honestly, it's slightly a bit heavier than I thought. And that mirrored finish, man, you can see around the room. You can see all of my lights back there. And they didn't make any typos, which is always nice. Presented to RobFindsTreasure. 100,000 subscribers. Now we're just over 101. You guys are the best. Thank you for helping me achieve this. And now I'm only a few months away on my garden channel from maybe getting a second plaque on that channel as well. Not that I'm asking you guys to check out the garden channel, but if you want to check out my gardening channel, I'll have a link to that down below as well as up here, should you want to check it out. We're about 3,000 subs away from hitting 100K on that channel as well, which I started 7 years ago and haven't been posting as regularly as I do on my coin channel, of course. Anyway, that's the award. We'll figure out where to put it. Hopefully I can feature it on the streams and have it behind me. I'll take the map down, but we'll have to see. So I think that pretty much covers it, guys. Again, thank you for all the support. And hopefully you're still enjoying the content. And if you're watching this and for some reason you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. All right, we got to go. Thank you again. I'll see you guys tonight on the live stream. All right, if you didn't leave, I figured I'd show you where I'm going to put it. I didn't want to take the map down. It's been good luck. So I went ahead and stuck it adjacent to the map, and I put it in a spot where maybe I could put the garden one if I get it down below. Might have to slide it up, but either way, that's where it's going to stay. And again, thank you. Hopefully, we'll see it on the streams. Looks pretty good, doesn't it?